Hi, this is Chetna here again on the 13th day of my protest in front of KPCC Congress Office, Bangalore. I am protesting because of one case which we have filed an FIR. My sister lost 61 lakhs. She lost 61 lakh in cyber crime. And this cyber crime, as the police initially started suggesting, is some person from Nigeria or Dubai has taken the money, or it been transferred into daily wages account. Who have been thinking that they're getting the money from the government. See, before you even start, and I understand there should be a pattern for all this cyber crime, but also having perceiving, initially in the case only that all the crimes are because of the same reason is you using a preconceived notion. How can you go ahead with the investigation? See, every stage of the case I had to really involve and fight for them to move from stage 1 to 2 to 3, but afterwards they were not moving at all. So I had to come and protest here. Now SI is moved out of the case and ACP has come into the case. I don't know what he is doing, because I am sitting and protesting here. All I want is, I want all the criminals who are involved in this case to be caught, because I believe all the criminals who are associated in our life, who are involved in our lives by hindering my personal life, professional life, and my children's education and all my siblings' life, are involved in this case also. I strongly believe that. So I am telling, if you don't get the money, first only they told they cannot get any money out of this the crime, and it's so unfortunate they can't trace it, though they've got all the modern tools and software sitting in their laptops. They can't even find that out. That is okay. Now what I want is, if you can't get the money, fine, get all the criminals for us, whoever the account money has gone into, their call IDs, if their phones are the same that they are giving in the KYC, or has it been changed within 1 year, and which were the phones, and also trace all the calls in their phones. If you do that, I'm 100% sure all the criminals who are associated or involved in the crimes related to me and my family will be caught. I want to see, they've got, this is something we can catch them red-handed, because they've been tormenting in my life and my siblings' life for a long time, more than a decade. We are tired. We want to move forward. We want deliverance. We want to experience freedom. It's been long time we've been suffocated in life. Kindly, everyone help us out. Please put the pressure on the government and police, so that the inquiry on this case can be done and we will get the justice and we can breathe. I know it's not about only breathing, it's about my children's life. I want my children to have a good life. They're spoiling everything. The talented children, my talented son who had to be in UK, now is sitting in the house. My son is unable to go and pursue his career. Kindly help us out, because if you solve this case, most of the criminals will get caught and we will have the liberty and we can lead a normal life again. I'm sitting in front of Congress office and protesting because from 3 generations, that is from my grandma's time, we have been voting for Congress only. I have not only voted for them, I've also supported them. I've been supporting them from a long time through a WhatsApp group. I've helped them out with a lot of ideas for Lok Sabha election, state elections, and also I've helped them out with the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Okay, so I really feel betrayed, because after winning the elections, after incorporating so many of my ideas, I believe I have contributed to the victory. Maybe I will not say in a small scale. I know how much I've helped this party out. After winning, I'm sitting in front of this office like a bhikari and asking for justice with this placard in my hand, justice. And then all these people, other people are sitting in the ministerial positions and taking calls now. That's what one person told. They will take our help only till they win the elections. After that, we are of no need at all. This is cheated. I really feel cheated and betrayed by the congressmen. This is not how you behave, how you really behave with your supporters. What's the difference between Congress and BJP? You are as good as BJP only. At least they will be in open. They'll say this is what we are. We are Dalit Virodhis. We are minority Virodhis, and they will do that. You do in a silent rooms. That's all. There's no difference. Because the MLA from BJP is helping the rowdies. Same thing, the MLA from Congress is also helping the same rowdies. Then because it's only the caste, the community that matters. The parties and all parties, ideologies only in the paper and websites. Nothing about reality.